Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are showcasing the step for how to convert Ability Mail Server emails to CSV file. First of all, download now Recovery Tools Ability Mail Server Migrator. Use Recovery Tools Ability Mail Server Migrator and get these ultimate features. Export Ability Mail Server data group-wise and batch. Directly migrate Ability emails without backup. Store resultant data at user desired location path. Maintain folder hierarchy structure. Install and run Recovery Tools Ability Mail Server Migrator, more details check description. To convert mailboxes correctly, please ensure you have selected the correct folder path. For example, we have shown below what exact folder you need to select to get desired correct conversion results. Select folder underlined as red. Simple software interface is an advantage of this utility. Now click on Next. There are two options available, that is Select Folder or Select File. To choose Ability Mail Files. Now click on the Select File option. Select the Ability Mail file from the saved location. Now click on the Select Folder option, select the Ability Mail user's data from the saved location. If you want to convert multiple users' Ability Mail, then please check the I am converting multiple users option. Then, choose the required folders from their location. Go to this location and select Ability Mail folder. Now click on Next. You can select desired folders for the conversion. The program keeps the folder hierarchy in the CSV file. Now click on Next. The program gives you 25 plus saving options including CSV file. Select CSV option. Here, you can change the destination path as well as the resultant in CSV file. Click on Filter option to get advanced feature of the software. This tool offers you multiple filter options that are useful for the task. Now click on Convert. This tool previews the live conversion progress. After a complete conversion, you will get a pop-up message, "Conversion completed successfully." Click on OK button. Trial version will allow you to convert only 25 emails from each folder. Here you can buy and activate software. Click on OK. The software will create saving log.txt file containing converted emails from the total number of emails with folder's name. Go to destination folder and check output file. Converted CSV file. Thank you for watching the video.